Yan. Ah. Shout out. Shout out sa Pangasinan. Shout out kina Mimi. Shout out kina Joey.
Joey.
Yun. Tatlo lang yung umalis tayo. Tatlo pa lang yung buwan. Si Joey, si Randy. Si Mimi, Joey, Randy.
Kapsat mga babae.
Oh?
Kaya pa isa na.
Jajay. Kapsat ko. Eh? Buli-buli? Yan, betul GGA.
Ito meron kang kapatid na.
Meron pang isa si Carmen.
Yes, Carmen.
Pero marami ding anak noon.
Marami din anak katulad ni Auntie Peña mo?
Oo, mas marami pa chikwa na si Carmen na. May kambal pa siya. Yun, tawag si Bununo. Kel, baka naman. Kel, baka naman. Lahat sila, ganun sa akin. Kasi papadala kita. Huwag mong ipagsasabi ko. Tanim mo yung bagam. Siyempre, amin na doon. Kape mo?
Wala.
Hindi nakakape. Tsaka na kasi. Kanina pa siya dito eh.
Gusto siya ng beer.
Sabi ko, tagal mo. Sabi ko, may ginawa pa ako ah. Lakad na papunta dun sa dresser. Doon, malapit kay Lolet.
Oh.
May plaza doon.
Yung Lolet.
Na
Sa Hanover?
Ano ulit?
tawag mo ba? Di man Lolet.
Lulit recto.
No.
Oh no.
Lisa.
Lisa. Hindi Lisa. Ano, sa Silver Meto.
Correcto.
Makita ko kayo pinone. Matanda.
Kilala daw ako ng isang babae, pangalan niya Linda. Linda ba? Ayoko yung may topang nakatulad ko, ha? Ha?
Ano, senior din ba ang Shackles? Ang Thursday?
Yes, every Thursday.
Yung Shackles na doon sa...
Ito yung tamang pinto. Minanayo niya, maraming pera.
May grocery, oh. And this may Kennedy, meron. Dito, wala.
Mayaman niya.
Wala dito.
Yan, no? Dating ano.
Yung Shoppers Report sa may Kennedy.
Gusto ko mobile lang nila doon kasi mas mura pa sa grocery.
I know, grocery. Hindi naman lahat.
Ina po.
Kaya yung saging nila. $77 yun eh.
Very cute.
Wala, 1.5.
Ay, sa ano din? Sa anong tawag yung Costco. Yung atado,
Ngayon, kailangan maging Canadian ka.
Yes.
Kasi
Costco.
huwag ka nang mamimili sa Costco kasi American company yan.
Mabuti nga yung American.
Oo nga, pero siyempre, parang solidarity mo.
Yeah. Kasi
maraming maghihirap sa atin sa ginawa ng Amerikano. Maraming mga auto workers na mawawala. Mawawala ng trabaho.
Yeah.
And we have 500,000 workers. 500,000 auto workers.
Pilipinas.
Dito. Canada. Half a million workers of auto industry.
Ito yung nakain kabahay mo.
Not counting you.
Si Ted.
Yeah, he talks to me, but I didn't like what on Sunday. Pinasok ako. Kala mo sino. Dinala ko.
Kaya ano na.
Kaya nung dumating siya, sabi ko, I'm not in a good mood, sabi ko.
Sabi mo ba yan?
Pambara sa kakanto.
Para sila.
Magkano siguro nandito?
Ha?
And
Ayan,
30
Tony.
20.
50 ang kwan, ang buong kwan, 50.
20 lang na.
20.
50. Pero pag sa Tony kasi
Toonie and Looney, see? And Puro.
yeah, but the Tony is 25. You know why I know? Because I
Used to work on the machine.
The
vending
machine,
Yeah.
Ano, meron ka naman inukalit ang kapalit.
Hindi, nilalagay tayo dyan.
Pinonet ka kahanapin.
May bayad.
di ba yan?
For every
Every,
$1.07.
I think so.
Forget it.
I know.
I'd rather go to the bank and change it.
Yeah, but
Oh, the coffee's good, Kalio.
Yeah.
Coffee's good. Kasi yung kape ko sa
Yeah,
bahay,
I've become professional in drinking coffee too.
oh, really?
Yeah, because I learned how to fix the coffee machine. And
Right,
if it's too hot, the water is too hot, you can burn the coffee.
Yeah.
If the water is too hot, you can burn the coffee. So you have to go to the right heat so you don't burn the coffee. You go like this when you taste the coffee.
Then you put it back.
I know this.
You never know. Maybe you do put it back.
Yeah, because I learned, and then we went to the factory also, tasting coffee.
Inonet.
Pero may ko naman yan. I don't know. There's something wrong with that.
Hindi mo makinala inonet. Hindi mo alpit.
Kilala ko yan!
Inonet.
Tingnan?
Ang bait-bait niya sa una, din almusan. Hindi nila akong ganun. Sabi ko, something wrong with this boy. Ibig sabihin ni, bakit hindi ako kumakagat? Ganon. Oh, I know that. I know this already. Wala. Your friend.
Meron ako kaibigan dito, yung Edo, Japan Edo. You know who owns that? If you own the Intramuros
Yeah, on
and Republica. Saka yung meron pa siyang yung French fries sa tabi. There's a,
Oh, yeah? Pilipina.
no, it's right there. See?
Yes, kita lang. Maraming siya.
Japan dito.
Yung potato corner.
Saka yung potato corner, yung isang may-ari.
Busy ba yun natin? Yung Ido Japan, busy. Are they busy? No?
Ang ayoko lang, malalaki yung grupo nila sa kanilang mga vegetable. Dapat shredded para
Yeah.
magwa. Pero yung ang lalaki, you fighting with the... Dapat shredded, ang sarap yung smooth na.
Ayaw ko sabihin. Di ba mga Japanese, matatamis ang
But I like their yung sushi. Love it. Okay, I love their sushi.
Kaya nagtatagalan mo.
Ha? Next year.
Ano tatanggalin?
And yeah, Ray was inviting me to go to Prestige Saturday, but I didn't say nothing. I just
Okay, really, you hang out with fine.
no, I don't want to go to Prestige.
Oh, okay. I'm saying that they call you, why not?
No, I mean he didn't call me.
He
He
text you.
texted me.
Oh, okay. You don't want to go. You don't want to go.
And then he changed his mind. He deleted it.
Yeah.
Kasi, you know that place, you know, Jane and Pinch area. You know, like after hours na, you know, Jane and Pinch is Prestige, right? So you're drinking, right? You're drinking. So after hours, so you drive home. You know, the police are looking for those people that drive after hours because they know that they're drug, they have drink, they're drug. So you ended up in trouble. You ended up in trouble, big time. You went to the bait.
Yeah.
Siyempre, if you go to Prestige,
I might see Maricel there. I don't want to go.
you probably drink six
Go
beers.
there once in a while. With my aunt.
Ano daw yung
No problem.
pinupuntahan niya?
Prestige.
I'm out of practice.
Oh, Filipino Fiesta. Yung puntahan niya, yeah, I know. Wala. Oh, Hamilton. Sabi niya on yung Taste of Manila.
Taste of Philippines in Hamilton.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
I'm going here. I'm gonna sing for you.
I'm gonna be there 2 nights.
I'm going to go there because of nice.
No, yeah, I know.
I know the
See
organization.
videos.
But we have to sleep overnight over there
Where
at
you
the
gonna
park.
sleep? Parang
Yeah.
matutulog.
Yeah,
Sa park?
it's cold. Yeah. But I have my car, so I sleep in the car. But they sleep in.
Palagi, no?
Doon sila matutulog sa kwan sa stage. Because we have to watch the equipment.
Yep. Right, yeah. Asan na yung mga tao doon nagpapara dito? Wala na?
Wala na lang paparaan.
Hindi, mamaya pa dumating.
Laban.
Wapala.
Paano?
Ayan. Paano? Kakainis.
Alam mo, ito, ulit pala. Ulit ikat pala.
Doktor, pana.
Doktor pala.
Nagluluto ng pagkain mo sa restaurant, pana.
Yung nalamit rodo dito. Ano to? Hindi na kalata to.
Hindi na.
Yes.
Hindi na.
For sure.
Kasi natutuwa nila tayo dito eh. Doktor.
Sana pag konti lang okay, hindi bigla na lang.
Oo. 2 milyon ang pinagalag ito.
Dami.
Napilihan din ang 2 milyon.
Dami.
At ang mapunta meron. mababata, tao, nakatayo yung tili. Kaya ako nakatabi ko yung mama. Mama, parang umiikot yung
Buti lang, wala akong naamoy ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung mabaho ka o mabango ngayon. Wala akong smell. I have no smell. Pagayam, Angelina, ako din naman gusto mo ah.
Hey, good afternoon. Guys, are we ready to morning?
Pardon, Tim Horton right there. Go Metro. and
Make a left.
Make a left.
Go straight, yeah, it's there. Ako ni yung dito na top unit.
Gamin. Yes, ano, kumbaga na, yung mga maraming contact. Kasi, pulis
Huwag kang go too late.
Yeah.
Don't stay out too late.
Pero huwag kang mag-alala. Sa ano. Kaya kung sino man din na kilala doon, hindi bubuksan.
When the last time you saw Emily?
We never seen her. You see
Your daughter?
Yeah.
A long time. Very, very, very long time. Yung anak niya.
Ano ba anak niya?
Siguro 20.
Dalawa.
Dalawa lang anak niya.
Ha?
Tatlo. Pero pa yung ano, ibang babae.
Isa sa Katman.
Yung mga di namin alam, di namin alam. That's all. All I know is 3.
Dalawa, isa sa kapitbahay.
Yun.
Nadapa ako sa kapitbahay. Pero ko na, yung anak mong yun, ang Japan niya, oh. At nakatatlong beses nung nag-Japan.
Marami ng pera.
Ha?
Maraming pera.
Pero hindi man nagtatrabaho. What's siya eh? Na artist sa Spotify. Yun, kumikita siya ron. Sabi ko, it paid off. Kasi panibigay kong pera sa kanya every week. Kasi meron akong kwan sa kanya na every Sunday, lalabas kami, manood kami ng sine, kakain kami. Kaya tinawag ko yung Sunday na SON, DAY, Sunday. Instead of Sunday. Diba? So lalabas kami doon. Pagkatapos ng at the end of the day, bibigyan ko siya ng $50 allowance sa school niya. $50 ha? So like $10 a day. So then he's addicted to all that, you know, I don't know, he become artist. Ano kumikita siya? He's making money. Big time, he's making money.
Siguro nandun.
Kaya nilabas ko ano, tara labas tayo, sabi sa akin.
Siguro pag nandun,
Labas tayo, sabi ko sa kanya, no? Sabi, pero labas tayo, pag tayo, minimal lang ang natin, budget natin.
Nakita mo yung anak niya.
Pagkatapos nung bayaran na, no? It's okay, Dad, I got it. Labas yung card niya, gano'n.
Richie.
Richie Iman eh. Punta kami ng Wonderland. It's okay, Dad, I got it. Ano ka pala?
Ano ng anak niya?
Anong asawa ni...
Bumilib ako doon. Pero, okay, I believe you na, pero pag-aaral muna yung unahin mo kasi baka panandalian lang yung trabaho, kita nyo na.
Kami na ako, natin pa ako. Wala ka daw.
Hindi mo nakapag-Japan siya. 2 beses na.
Si Junior, meron ng isa, di ba? Sa dalawa.
Duno, tatlo.
Si tatlo na.
Wala anak ni Duno.
Junior,
Ang magbakasyon sa Japan,
Richie
mahal.
wala pa. Richie wala pa.
Wala pa. Lima anak niya rin.
What about si Linda? Bata pa no?
Anak niya rin, lima.
Say hi!
No, bata. Kasi kamukha yung sombrero niyang pink.
Kanya.
Ariko. Kaya natin, taas natin ang pag... Galing ito, ang galing itong pan na to, na tripod na tayan.
Uli.
Oo. Shout out sa Pilipinas! Galing ako kasi sa doktor. Ayan. Sabi ko, Jojo, pupunta ako ng doktor ka ako bukas. Baka gusto mo magkita tayo. Sige. So, yun. Nagpunta ako ito. Nandito ako rin kahapon. Ha? Dito ako, maaga ako dito. Kasi may appointment ako ng 11:30. Nandito ako ng mga 10 o'clock. So, nandito ako, nagkape ako.
Hindi mo nakita si Bito.
Ha?
Lalakad dito pa. Let's just...
Nagkape lang. Pero may kumuhay sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung sino-sino. Kumuhay lang ako pagkatapos hinanap ko rin gusto kong kainin. Kasi hindi ko kilala eh. Kumuhay sa akin.
Hindi ko lang si Bito.
Hindi kilala ko si Karin, pero hindi ko lang nilapit eh. Tapos nung matapos na ako mag-breakfast doon, diretso na ako doon sa appointment. Pagkatapos ng appointment ko doon, naghanap ako ng doktor doon. Kasi family doctor, wala na yung doktor ko eh. Kailangan ko ng doktor. So naghanap ko family doctor doon, nakakita ako. So in-appointment niya ako kanina. In-appointment niya ako kanina. Tapos, siyempre, ang saya-saya ko dahil sabi ng doktor ko, wala ka ng cancer. But then, you know, I was careless. I was down to the gym and fell out. And I hurt my knee, all the whole, ang sakit. In-scan, tapos, saka in-x-ray. Ang daming position na x-ray.
X-ray yun sa babae. Ano na pagkita ako sa sir? Black?
Tapos hindi ngayon na ron, doon, nagpunta ako doon. Sabi nung gusto nung attendant, may class lang sa akin siguro, nagpipingin na ako. Kinakabal. Ngayon, makuha na natin yung ngayon, yung x-ray. Pero yung CAT scan, ewan ko, parang CAT bukas, sabi niya, bukas. No, can be, I really not sure. If it's done, it has to be done today. Okay, you can do your X-ray now and do your scan at 2:30. Okay. As long as I don't have to come back the next day.
Nilagay ka iba yung sikat.
Tapos nung pagpasok ko doon, Pilipina yung nagpuan sa akin, nag-exercise sa akin, lahat. Hindi, ang ganda kasi lahat nakaintindihan mo yung gustong lahat yung sabihin. And then, Juan, siyempre, tapos na, sir, tapos ka na, sir, kalito. Mag-use ka na, pupunta ka doon, mag-hintay ka ng party. Pero, kasi, Juan, so I took my time changing. And then, somebody opened my thing, can you do, huh? In-squeeze nila ako sa, instead of 2:30, naging 1:45 na lang. Hindi, 12:45. 11:30 ako nagpinuan eh.
I have one in Sunnybrook, Temple.
Ayan?
I take the GO train, and from there, from Union Station, I ride my bike all the way to Mount Pleasant. Sunnybrook. Takes me an hour and a half from Union Station all the way up to Sunnybrook. Which is okay. Exercise.
Very good.
That's why kailangan agad exercise mata-mata ako. I weigh 190 pounds. Hindi naman masyadong parang sigo ang kakalito. But I lost it. Imagine, I see that. Before, he had like...
Natilinga ako. Hindi kung kilala ka pa yung anak niya.
Ay, sarap. Anong isda?
Ang pagkain ko sa Kwan, tilapia. Bilang kong 2 tilapia. Tapos, bumili ako ng isang kahon na puset. O mag-isa lang ako doon. Pwede. Adobo, saka breaded na kung kakain ako, 3 pusit lang eh. Bulog na ako eh.
Mahal yan ang bibili. Mahal yan ang bibili.
Yung isang ganun na pusit, kakainin ko ng ilang araw. Dati pag nagpipigil ako, 3 araw ko ang ubusin yun. Sinigang, kaya na mag-spaghetti. Halos sa linggo. Yung tuyo naman. Pero bawal sa akin yung tuyo.
Tapos ka, tapos iwanan mo na ako.
Pilipino naman. Parang takot sa Pilipino.
Ang ganda pa naman ng exercise ko doon sa kwan. Sa gym.
Oh, when Pagpagmilya, then do it again. Baka busy, may ginagawa place. No? Kasi hindi ka lang Anong bahay ka? Ano mo lang?
Ako lang.
Madaling araw. Pero tehe pa rin. Out ka lang pinaparayan nila.
Amon? Sino kasama niya?
Ay, anak lang. Three bedroom.
But I'm addicted. I'm addicted to it. Doing it.
Good. Sabi sa Toronto?
Yeah, but not the yesterday. This one yesterday. That was yesterday. I'm addicted to it.
It lost a lot of weight.
Kaya lang, natatakot ako baka sabi sa akin ng doktor, you might be overdoing it. That's why. So you have to like, don't go long.
Every day. Anak ko eh.
But then, athlete break their legs, then they work the next day. They work out the next day.
Wala na rin babalik si Auntie Iya.
They went 5 months, he has to stay there. 6 months.
Real good, di ba? So, November, December, and March, April. So that's
And he's receiving old age and
receiving something really nice. Every month, December, they prepare siya. He's rich every month.
nalibidyo nila doon.
Ano ba alam?
Ang pag sa akin, ang advice sa akin, yung ipon mo na ngayon, iuwi mo yun ang gastusin mo, para pagbalik mo, yung perang dumarating, hindi mo nagagalaw ng 6 months.
So, marami kang pera. Hindi mo na lagyan ko every month.
Yeah, but that's you have to budget your money. So say if you have 10,000 to go there, you have to $10,000. You have to spend. You have to use that in 6 months. 6 months that you have got your budget. So you put away the monthly, and then how much rice you eat in your, so you make that. So 6 sacks of rice for me every month. And then buto-buto na yung ulam ko, okay na. Kahit buto-buto na yung ulam ko, okay na. sa may restaurant. Yun. Tapos, magkano natitira sa pera mo kung $200 will go for your rent. You know? And then, let's say, all in all, pagkain mo na, 500 a month, yung pwede na kaya. Wala yun. $500. Dollars? Hindi, kung sasang up mo, makakabili ka na yung 300, kasi $200 yung rent mo, $300, makakabili ka ng isang rice, gano'n. Isang buwan yung makakainin mo ng gano'n. Bumili ka na ng dalawampung sardinas, kakainin ka, siguro kung titipid ka, kalahati lang latay kakainin mo. Ha? Titipid ka, lalagyan mo ka, titipid ka, di ba? Kalahati latay. Pero mayroon din meron, di ba? Kalahati. Sabi mo, bumili ka ng 50 dilata na gano'n. Sabi mo na, bawat isang dilata, pagkain mo na isang buong araw. Ang laki ng pang-gimmick mo. Sige, instead na mag-gimmick ka, bumili ka na lang ng mga tapagdalay na isda na nahuli mo na dyan sa tabing dagat, di ba? Hindi man siguro maubig isang ganitong kalaking isda. Ha?
Meron naman doon na saltfish, diba?
Isang ganitong kalaking isda, $20 lang, 1,000. 1,000 pesos.
Kasi galing.
Kasi yung atira dito, dito lang dati.
Lisa,
Hindi, dati may ang tawag doon? Apartment house? Nag-take over ka lang. Oo, nakatira ko eh. Kaya yung mga ganun lugar eh, yung mga governing house na ganun. Sayang eh.
Kung sinasabi mo, sa
Oo, nag-spend ko yung kwan.
sabi ni Carlito, Mom, why don't you buy a house? You can stay with me for a year. And you and Catherine. Just give me
how's Richard doing?
big.
Richard.
Hindi na lang sa
much drinking. He's drinking like,
I know.
Not
he's
allowed.
like his dad.
Not allowed. Because we played golf before. Last year, he not allowed to drink. He doesn't drink.
But then, you know, you can't stop it if you're alcoholic.
Ano na ngayon? Kasi nagkaroon na ng AA.
Ako, hindi na ko sinabi ng doktor na bawal lahat. Stop ko lahat, pati alak, ang lahat.
Kailan lang naman yan.
Ginawa na naman sa sugal eh. I can't. I'm here. I'm not. Stop. Wala tayo. We have to stop. Stop. Wala tayo. That's the same.
Very ruthless.
They're the same. Then,
You know, I was maybe 7 years old, 8 years old. He got me smoking cigarette with my friend, right, on there, and then he took the cigarette and burned it. Look at the burn of the, he burned me with the cigarette and he wanted to burn my eyes. And then luckily the friend told him to stop. But the cigarette just brand new, right? And then he just, every time the cigarette goes out, like look again, he put in a thing.
Is he okay? I said, yes. Is she there? Yeah. I'm excited. I didn't want to say nothing. I'm glad she was okay. Because I know, because I didn't want to hang around with her.
Oh, I can't hold exercise.
Then why you keep talking about me? You miss him, I guess. Because you never stop talking about him. I miss him. I go, oh, I did it. Good for him. Oh, then stop. Why you talking about him?
Josie? Well, haba na niyan, no?
Gusto niya ito kalito.
Oh, haba na niyan. See? Medyo nga, kapi lang yan. Oh. Yung Wednesday, naging Martes.
Are you sure the temperature is going back? Really? I can't believe it. He was so skinny and now he's fine. You can see the weight. What would they say? How long is it going to take to heal? What? Oh, you're going to know anyway, right? It stops hurting, then you're okay.
Probably I'll be having a blood sample, urine sample, everything. Then I'll check my sugar, my, you know, my blood pressure. Kasi bigaw, I think it's my diet, high uric acid, that it triggers the the arthritis, those are the symptoms. If you have arthritis, like the gout, that means you are high in uric acid. Ang mga pagkain mataas sa uric acid din ng metabolic is orange or kamatis. Yan, matataas ng uric acid. Bawal sa'yo kumain ng spaghetti.
See, obedente. See?
Ang lakad ng takot pag ganun lang. Hindi pwede gano'n.
Diretso lang.
Pero pag lumbuan, ngayon, tinanong ko sa... Tinanong ko sa Basta nag-disco. How was it? Can you tell me this is a broken thing? No, I wouldn't tell you that. No, it's not my position to tell you that. Tama nga naman yung doktor na lang dapat magsabi sa'yo. But that means, you know, like, no, it doesn't feel like it's major. I can still walk. It's not like, wow.
Yeah, you do pretty good. Even with the twisted ankle?
Both the surgery.
Surfing?
But the one that only got hurt is this one. But this one is my arthritis that I didn't know when I had an accident. I broke it. I remember Popo. Coming to my house visiting me. And after my painkiller, he went upstairs to...
What was this?
When I had my
Long time ago then, 'cause he's dead, eh?
I know. He went up. He went to my medicine cabinet and then I asked him to I ran out. Who's your doctor? Who's your doctor? I told him about doctor. And then a week later, kasi I appointment to the doctor. I told him, "You call me?" Why? No, I didn't go. Yeah, you're asking for refill on the painkiller. It's not Tylenol, right? Okay, I thought so because I know it's not you.
My body.
And then I know it was ang laki ng pinagbago ng citizen. Putsito lang po. Ha?
I remember that.
Putsiti, Ganda Record Man, Debate, Eton. That's it. And then the food court, beside the Putsiti.
Gagawin na naman.
Miracle Baku.
Ha? Diyan? May gagawin naman dyan?
Talaga?
But I saw the plan.
Babakbakin nila ito. Pero yung mga tindahan, hindi.
I saw the plan.
Yeah, over there. No.
I know.
I saw the plan. At Brahma City Center.
Maganda.
I saw the plan of Brahma City Center.
Yeah.
You know how they're showing by the information behind there was like the plan.
Plan,
The
yeah.
building,
Yeah.
the highway.
Yeah.
Parang yung militant eh.
Lumaki nung lumay, tingnan mo.
Are you sure?
Oo. Iba dito ko lang, iba dito, iba. Meron pa doon, mga araw. Konti lang tayo na.
Yeah, I know.
Kaya,
Siguro ito ano. Ano lang darang mga pag pinakay mo sa gano'n, yun, titikatin mo lang sa labas. Yun lang ako, gusto na yan. Tsaka yung Miracle Mart, that's Miracle Mart.
yeah.
Miracle Batu.
Yeah. Tanda ko yung kung kita kayong Kiman, the Kiman. Yung the Kiman, gagawa Tuesday.
Wala na ngayon.
Oh, yeah.
Wala na. Wala na sa dulo.
Beaver Lumber.
Bibelong, yan, bibelong. Yung Japan, kaya.
Yeah, that's right.
Ano pa rin yung Japan pa?
God release that. Yeah?
Oo.
Kada ni bus niya di
Sir,
Core.
kaibigan mo yung mga tatay mo.
Really? Yeah. Nabigan mo?
Kasi yung mga kilala ko lang yung nagtitinda ng sigarilyo sa kalikuan.
Oh, yeah?
Kaya nga lahat tayo, karoon tayo ng pioneer. Karoon tayo ng
Parang hindi din mga maraming stereo. Turntable, speaker, pioneer.
Lagi ako nakastambay dyan. Dahil, nakatingin dito si Baklao. Yung kaibigan ni Butch. Ha? Dito, dinadiretso mo.
Tayo.
Ha? Hindi ba? Hindi, kikita mo sa kanya eh. Sa Capitol. Ha?
Hindi ko. Siya po. Si Butch na.
Baklahin.
Marami yan.
Nakakalibriyan kay Butch eh. Ng pagkain mo.
Madami siya. Nai-libre ko na siya ng ilang minitang already. Pero ito, 300. Ay,
Oo. Bon.
bayad yan.
Kahit kung hindi ako nag-bisita ni Darling Ide, hindi ako nagpupunta Ide, sa balik ko, lagi. Hindi ko paano kung ginamit dahil gusto tayong mag-ano na yan na. At tapos, inupera na dito pa, dito tao, na I don't see your name here. That thing, you want, maybe, you want, yeah.
Ibingan.
Beside Darling, right? So, I don't have to big.
Ano ang pangalan niya? Si Manong mo,
Oo nga.
si Manang Linda,
Ben, Tatang Ben.
Iba-iba yung kami eh.
si Manong Margarita. Pero abuhay kay Manong. Si Darley, at si Manong.
Yung sa akin,
Tatang Ben.
yun na.
Atinita, marami na.
Ganun din sa akin yung pagkanap na kuran na, I mean, tapos lagyan mo na ang pangalan ko doon sa tabi.
Pwede. So, because yung sa amin, my mom is there, me, Dad, Connie, no seal. So, said the seal, maybe I'll be buried like guarding a Catholic in
I wonder how much though? How much you will
50 grand.
huh? 50,000 for one
When you think you go, it went up so high now, it's 2 grand for
I wanna buy like
they have like 250,000. Sabi sa akin ni but don't tell your brother and sisters.
this summer.
No, you're not telling
This
that.
summer I'm gonna go visit.
You know how many times I go there? Maybe at least maybe once a month, twice a month.
Weather's not.
Like my
Weather's.
I lit up a cigarette for my mom, to Carlito, say hi to Auntie Lole, Tigida, Darwin,
Cold now.
Daddy Lole na.
Cold now. I mean, like I like to do in the summer.
But I did it.
Alam mo yan, nagawa ko na lahat yun. And then, pinacheck ko na rin yung ko, baka meron nga siyang bali o fracture, diba?
You never know.
Hindi na gano'n. Kaya ayun, yung na lahat, bigyan na rin ako ng painkiller. Ayun, ayun na ako.
Kapag mo nga?
Itong kinalalang ko, kailangan natin mamasahe. Kaya nag-sito sa bumikuan, nagiging salumpasan, katanya, upad. Nagiging mas iinig, makuro nga dapat sa sakit na eh. Ano, kasi isang pasin na ori, kasagot yung pinaglasa, hanggang makuro sa sakit. Iamot na lang yung mga kaslalaan, agas, agas. At ako, ganun kimo yung gabi mo kasi ko na nag-iinig mo ito. Ay dapat yung spray na sumakitin niya, spray kasi may sakit sa akin, magpukod na. Ay, kumudit kami yung skin niya, kumudit na. Basta, bigyan ka. Bigyan pagtuligay. Hindi sa lumpas na batid niya. Diba isang box, 140. 140 na so, nagandun. May sector. Hindi, makaturog ako. Ano, buhin ako, Jay. Bakit ang Emily? Hala, you dance is suffering. You get paid. Ano naman na dapat adang mo lang yung sunod niya anak ko. Makasidong mo lang kasi ni Amada. Kaya hindi handa makati na sa akin kanya ako na makita ko sila na nagpintas si Biagda ang nakasila na nangyari kanya siyempre, awat ki adal ko, awat ki suro kung napintas lang kasi nangyari si Biagda siyempre, yung dumatla, gigelak na pabayaan nila, siyempre. Tanakagal ba, yung projecta ka nga, hindi makita suda nga, agbigligat na, mabigay ko na yun, hindi makinang siyudad bigbiga. Tinurang dati adal, tinurang daan. Okay, hanggang dito na lang muna. Hanggang sa susunod na kabanata. Shout out sa mga nandiyan. Okay, salamat sa panonood. We'll see you again later. Thank you so much.